Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Looking to upgrade your kitchen with the latest in culinary technology? Dive into our guide to the 5 best air fryers of 2024, revolutionizing the way you cook for quicker, healthier meals. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features, these top air fryers offer convenience and efficiency without compromising on taste or nutrition. Discover the perfect appliance to elevate your cooking experience and enjoy delicious dishes with ease. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. The Ultenic K10 air fryer is a standout option in its category, offering impressive capabilities despite its relatively smaller size. With a sleek design and 11 preset cooking options, it's a user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Its performance is top-notch, consistently delivering delicious results with features like automatic preheat and reminders to shake foods. The included recipe book provides ample inspiration, making it easy to explore various culinary creations. Additionally, its app connectivity adds another layer of convenience, allowing for remote control and access to a wide range of recipes. Overall, the Ultenic K10 combines functionality, ease of use, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for home cooks of all levels. 4. The Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer stands out with its innovative dual-compartment design, offering unmatched versatility in the world of air fryers. Despite its premium price, its exceptional performance leaves little room for concern, delivering consistently impeccable results across its various cooking functions. The convenience of being able to engage 2 different cooking functions simultaneously sets it apart, while its Smart Finish feature further enhances its usability. With a sleek design and plenty of accessories, including a smart thermometer, is a comprehensive solution for culinary enthusiasts. Its overall ease of use and cooking prowess make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking top-notch performance in their kitchen appliances. 3. The Dreo ChefMaker stands out as a true kitchen powerhouse, offering versatility beyond traditional air fryers with its chef and probe modes. Its sleek design, responsive touch controls, and compact size make it a joy to use, while the built-in app offers a treasure trove of delicious recipes curated by professional chefs. Despite its hefty price, the ChefMaker delivers flawless results, from perfectly cooked steaks to crispy chicken wings, exceeding expectations with its ultra-crispy and moist results. The water spray system and superior convection heating ensure consistent, delicious dishes, elevating home cooking to restaurant-quality standards. Its exceptional performance and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for any cooking enthusiast. 2. Cosori proves its mettle in the air fryer market with the impressive Cosori Prola Air Fryer L501. This sleek, compact appliance delivers efficient air frying using 85% less oil than conventional methods, ensuring healthy and delicious foods like crispy French fries and chicken wings. Equipped with 7 presets and convenient touch controls, it is easy to use and versatile, accommodating different cooking needs. Despite minor setbacks like uneven browning and difficulties with frozen foods, its performance shines with safety features and a shake reminder function. With its affordable price and quiet operation, the Cosori Prola Air Fryer L501 is a worthy contender for those looking for a healthier way to enjoy their favorite foods. 1. Instant has quickly made a name for itself in the air fryer market, building on the success of its beloved multi-cooker, the Instant Pot. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase has a sleek, redesigned look and features a dishwasher-safe frying basket with a convenient window for easy monitoring. Its diverse functions extend beyond air frying to include roasting, baking, grilling, dehydrating, and reheating. Although the lack of cooking guides may require some experimentation, its performance shines with consistently crisp and even results. Its innovative features like OdourErase technology and quieter operation make it worthwhile,